Hi to all SciComm viewers. Thank you to SciComm for giving me this opportunity to bring science updates with Tia onto this platform. Today I'm back with my 5th episode. If you saw my last episode, then you would know that I interviewed certain children from around the world to bring forward their views about science during homeschool learning. So today's episode is how these children introduced and accessed science through experiments at home. Homeschooling has been an incredibly new experience for us all, and these children made it possible from the comforts of their home and while making it more fun. Science is all around us, but it mainly goes unnoticed as it is so subtle. By trying science experiments and seeing it fail and trying again can be fun. Also, by not forgetting about the importance of safety while conducting them at home. We can easily learn English, maths, history, etc. at home, but for science, we need hands-on experience at the lab, which can make it hard for learning at home. To make science learning easy and fun, some children have been conducting experiments at home while using the objects easily found around the house. First off is Gauri Tiwari from Toronto. Gauri is only 6 years old and already shows a lot of passion for science. She has created this butterfly while only using natural resources found around her. Today, Gauri is showing us an experiment about electricity by charging plastic drinking straws that can be easily found around the house. Let's go and watch.
Hi guys, my name is Gauri and I love science experiments. Hi guys, for this experiment, I have a straw and a eraser to make the straw stable. I have another straw and a pin that my mom gave me through the straw. I'm going to put the pin through carefully in the straw. And I have a third straw. I have a piece of cloth and I'm going to rub the two sides carefully. Now, let's go see what happens. This is because the two straws are charged and they have electricity between them so they don't stick together like this. When I'm not touching them and it's moving, that's because they're charged.
Thanks, Gauri. Maybe you guys can also try a little experiment. Grab an air-filled balloon and make sure it's secured tightly. Then you can try and rubbing it by charging it against a jumper or against the wall. Then put it close to your hair and see what happens. Now let's meet 9-year-old Akshita Dutta from Texas. Akshita also has a very keen interest in art and has done some amazing work which she has been posting on Facebook. Do check her link down below to have a look at some of her amazing, fabulous work. Today, Akshita is talking about different types of plastics and is conducting an experiment about a leak-proof bag.
Hi everyone, my name is Akshata and today I'm going to be doing a science experiment. You're probably going to ask me what science experiment I'm going to do. Well, I'm going to do a leak-proof bag experiment. I'm also going to be telling you a bit about plastic because that's what I'm basically going to be doing in the experiment. So, let's start. Before I do the experiment, I'm going to be telling you about plastic. There are two types of plastic. One plastic is low density. The other is high density. And before I talk about that, plastic is made out of polyethylene. Polyethylene is made up of polymer molecules. And the molecules in this little baggie here are spreaded out. So that makes the bag more durable and stretchy, as you could see. This is called low density because it's really stretchy and it's really durable. But unlike high in density, like this water bottle, for example, I mean, it's still made out of polyethylene and polymer molecules, but the molecules, instead of just being spread out, they're all crammed up together. And so when they're crammed up, you can't do much. So now we're going to do the experiment. Now we're going to grab our plastic baggie, and we're going to pour some water into it. Oh wait, my baggie is a little bit. Let me open it up a bit. Here we go. Now we're going to pour some water in. I'm not going to pour too much. And I'm going to zip it up. Make sure I take some air out. And now we're going to poke the pencil through. I'm going to do one for now because I don't want to waste my time. But see how it's not leaking out? Because the molecules, when you poke the pencil in, the molecules just spread around. And then when you make the hole, the molecules kind of just gather around the hole and they kind of smush up together to kind of make it hard. That way no water leaks out. And that's how you do your little experiment. Thank you for watching.
That was like magic. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Now on to 10-year-old Mia from London. Mia enjoys doing science experiments at home with her dad. She tried to conduct an exploding experiment but sadly failed twice, although trying and trying again is a foundation in science experiments. However, on her third attempt, she finally succeeded. You could see the sheer excitement in her face, and hopefully after watching the video, we can share the excitement with her too.
Experiment number 3. Okay, that one worked. Well, that worked.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mia. That was great fun, and I could definitely see the excitement in her face. Could you? Next up is 8-year-old LD from London with his milk experiment. Let's see how simple and easy this experiment is.
So first part of this experiment, you pour some milk. What's this? Oh, liquid. Next, you pour in a bit of food colouring.
Alex, show me how to get it. Alex,
Then get a cotton bud and put some of this fairy liquid. Then dip it, and that happens. Let's try again. It does still separate out, but it doesn't do it as much as before. And that's how the experiment works.
Wow, LD, that was great. I'm definitely going to try that one at home. Who wouldn't want to watch the force of a tornado but from a safe distance? Well, 8-year-old Natick from London has done just that. He has bottled the tornado with a simple yet effective experiment.
I will be making a tornado in a bottle.
What do you need for that? You need some color, tiny bit, that's it.
We need fairy liquid.
We need a tiny bit of dish soap. Dish soap. And you're going to put few drops. So it has some blue color, food color, and
The sea inside?
some dishwashing soap.
Okay.
Tiny bit. Now
Yep.
we are going to add some water in it.
What have you added?
I've added water.
Now what do you have to do?
And now we are going to close this with the lid on, nice and tight. So we shake it in a round clockwise position and shake it and stop, and you can see a tornado in a bottle.
I'm just going to stand back just in case he breaks it.
No, circles, circles.
Wait. Look.
Timber. That's a better one.
Okay. So what did you make?
Tornado in a bottle.
That was amazing, Natick. I'm sure some of you would like to try that at home as well. Last but not least, 10-year-old Arian from London enjoyed a volcanic eruption experiment. From simple ingredients found around the house, it can create a dramatic effect of a volcano erupting.
Just a little bit.
Tiny bit.
Yeah, that's it. Now this vinegar. And then I'm going to do the bottom. That's it. That's it, that's it. Can I do it? Yeah. Okay, we close it.
Thank you, Arian, for sharing this exciting experiment. So, I hope you enjoyed these simple science experiments. Do remember to keep on sharing your experiments and keep on experimenting, whether in lockdown or not in lockdown. And don't forget to join me next time on Science Updates with Tia. Bye for now.